The next step of the curriculum cycle process is really, to me, the funnest step. This is when we're going to build the actual unit and lesson plans. Again, the format that you use is totally your choice. The focus is not on how we do it or what we place in which box, but it's really the content and what we're doing that's important to me and the administrative team. You are welcome to continue to use the unit plan template. If you have it before, you're welcome to start it now if you haven't, or again, use your own format. What we'll want to do next, though, is record our lesson activities and our standards for sure. You're, of course, welcome and encouraged to also record your concepts that you're teaching. Vocabulary is, yes, we need to do that. Concepts is awesome if you want to separate that. Book pages you may want to include. Homework, additional resources or materials could also be included in that unit or lesson plan. As you guys are recording things, like activities, you want to make sure and include those best practices. For example, lesson activities should really include getting some background information, some pre-assessment. We should have some sort of acquisition portion of the lesson. We should have instructional delivery. We should have student activity, and then we should have some sort of assessment or reflection of student understanding with real-time feedback. So just remember those best practices as you're doing these steps as well. I'd love to be a part of this process. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.